In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and manage Google Workspace users' Gmail accounts 2026, 5 minutes. We'll start by getting you into the Google Admin Console, then we'll add a new user, and finally, we'll cover the most common management tasks you'll use day to day. Open a browser and go to admin.google.com, then sign in with an administrator account for your organization. Only admins can add and manage users. If you land in a personal Gmail by accident, switch to your work account. Once you're in the admin console home, look for directory, then choose users. This is your central place to view everyone in your domain. To create someone new, click Add New User. You'll see a form asking for the first name, last name, and a primary email address at your domain. Pick a clear naming convention like first.last and keep it consistent so accounts are easy to recognize later. Next, set the password. You can have Google generate a temporary password or create one yourself. Either way, make sure the user is required to change it at the first sign in for security. If you generate a temporary one, let the person know it's time sensitive and that they should update it immediately after logging in. Click Add New User to finish. You'll get the new account details and can send the credentials to the user. Share them through a secure channel. Avoid emailing the temporary password to the same new address since they can't access it yet. Include the sign-in URL and a reminder to change the password on first login. Now, let's talk management. Back in the users list, click any user to open their profile. Here you can update their name, change their primary email if they've had a name change, and add email aliases. Aliases let mail sent to additional addresses route to the same inbox, which is handy for role-based addresses or common misspellings. If someone forgets a password, select the user and choose Reset Password. Share the temporary password securely and remind them to update it right away. For stronger security, consider enabling multi-factor authentication across your organization. Licensing is also managed from the user profile. Make sure each person only has the licenses they need so you aren't paying for unused seats. When staff leave or change roles, review their license assignments to keep costs in check. To remove access, select the user and choose Suspend to immediately block sign-in while preserving data, or Delete to permanently remove the account. Suspension is reversible, deletion is not. Before deleting, plan how you'll transfer ownership of important files and mail to another account. That's it. Add users, manage details, reset passwords, optimize licenses, and control access all from one place.